Warm good evening, all of you.
Good evening, sir.
A loud voice, right?
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
Hi, sir.
Yeah, very fine like you because of your outstanding state scoring. Right now, SPJC organization is on the 11th cloud. Join your hands together to invite our chief guest, secretary and correspondent of SPJC organizations, Mahipal Reddy sir. Please, sir. And Honorable Principal and Director of SPJC Group of Institutions, Boys Campus Principal, Varaprasad sir. And our beloved, one more stunning personality, Ram Reddy sir, Principal of SPJC Girls Campus, Director and Principal of SPJC Organizations, and my lovable brother, Mr. Santosh Reddy sir, Director of SPJC Group of Institutions, Principal of Kora High School, and all my beloved parents and responsible teaching family of JGHS and Kora High School, and all print and electronic media beloved friends, and my lovable young chops of the society of JGHS and Kora. Please join your hands together to extend your warm thanks to your beloved mother and father. You are rendering your congratulations. So the applause is very low and not taste. Come on, show your tempo. The system of Mr. Prashant sir. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The claps are going to reach your mother's feet. Father heart, no doubt at all. Please, loudly. I am unable to receive your applause. How your parents are going to have that one? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Before that one, it's our pleasure to respect Hayagriva, because I follow that particular statement. Because of Swamivaru blessings, right now my kids enjoyed outstanding results in this particular annual examinations. Jnana Anandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakrutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmaya. Because of his great blessing, Saraswati has occupied the position of Hayagriva. Because of Saraswati blessings, right now you have occupied state level ranks. There is no doubt at all. What a tremendous result both campus students provided over here, JGHS and Kora. That's really remarkable. Yeah, we people are live witness for your great hard work. Almost all 365 days, great days, my teachers have sacrificed their valuable time, their enjoyment. Keep aside each and every moment for the sake of my lovable boys and girls of both campuses, JGHS and Kora. I extend my sincere namaskar on behalf of my organization, SPJC organization. I extend my sincere namaskar to all my teaching family of JGHS and Kora. Because of your outstanding contribution, outstanding concern, outstanding services, right now we are having these colorful results. And one more important sector is there in our society. I think I am not supposed to go and remind you, remember you know very well. For example, your study hours are going to be ended at 7:30. When great personalities will wait outside of our school gate. They might have reached at 7 o'clock, 7:15. The least bother about their personal works. They know very well, my child is going to come from that study hours, sharp 7:30 it is becoming. For example, if father is not available, he is informing to his beloved wife, please do collect our daughter, do collect our son. What a lovable. Love is blind. Whose love is blind? Your mom and dad love towards you is absolutely blind, Nana. Because of the great love and concern. Right now, you people, cracking results you have given. Please join your hands together to extend your outstanding love towards your mother and father. We extend our sincere namaskar to all my parents of JGHS and Kora